Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recharge your Telstra Prepaid mobile. First, make sure you have the My Telstra app installed on your phone. Open the app and log in using your Telstra ID. If you are already logged in, you will go straight to the home screen. Once you are inside the app, look for your prepaid service. It should appear on the main screen. Tap on your mobile number or service to open more details. Now, find the option that says Recharge Now. Tap on it. You will be shown different recharge options. These may include different amounts and plans, depending on your needs. Take a moment to choose the recharge option that suits you best. After selecting your preferred option, continue to the payment section. Once everything looks correct, confirm the payment. If you prefer not to use the app, you can also recharge online. Just open your browser and go to the Telstra Recharge website. Enter your mobile number, choose a recharge option, and pay using a credit card, debit card, or PayPal. It only takes a few minutes. Another option is to call 125-100 from your phone. Follow the voice instructions to recharge using your card or a voucher. Once done, your balance will be updated. Thanks for watching.